The Navy's £3 billion NATO flagship HMS Prince of Wales has spent more time being repaired than at sea since it was commissioned in 2019. The carrier spent 268 days undergoing repairs from December 2019 to Christmas Eve, and 267 days at sea, according to The Times. It spent 193 days having floodwater damage fixed at an estimated cost of £3.3 million. And this year a propeller shaft malfunction was identified as it left Portsmouth and the carrier was returned to Rosyth, Fife. A Navy spokesman said repairs are due to be completed by spring 2023, ahead of a pre-planned maintenance period. In Portsmouth, HMS Prince of Wales is the largest ship in the Royal Navy and weighs 65,000 tons. The problems began in 2020 when the roof of an accommodation block on the warship collapsed, sending water gushing onto sailors. Months later, electrical cabinets and pipes were submerged when a leak sprung in the ship's engine room. And that same year, more than 100 crew members had to spend the night on the carrier's sister ship HMS Queen Elizabeth, when the HMS Prince of Wales lost power. Admiral Sir Tony Radakin, Chief of the Defence Staff, has admitted the problems were deeply frustrating. It is understood the technical issues are not related to the ship's class. Spokesman for Babcock, the company The Times reports is responsible for building the propeller shaft, said, work is ongoing to understand the cause of the issue and Babcock remains focused on completing the repair.